How do intellectual property rights impact essential medicine access? Imagine needing a life-saving medicine but being unable to afford it. That's a reality for many people around the world because of how patents work. Intellectual property rights, especially patents on medicines, give companies exclusive control over making and selling new drugs for a certain time. This is meant to reward innovation and help fund future research. But it also means that generic versions of these medicines can't be made legally until the patent expires. Patents usually last 20 years from the date they are filed. During this time, only the patent holder can produce the medicine, which often keeps prices high. When a medicine is under patent, generic companies cannot produce cheaper copies, so prices stay inflated. This can make essential medicines unaffordable for people in low and middle-income countries, where health budgets are tight. High costs can stop patients from getting the treatments they need, leading to worse health outcomes. International agreements like the World Trade Organization's Agreement on Trade-Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights set minimum standards for patent protection worldwide. These agreements aim to balance innovation incentives with public health needs. They include flexibilities like allowing countries to issue compulsory licenses, which let them produce or import generic medicines during emergencies. But some trade agreements add stricter rules called TRIPS plus provisions, which limit these flexibilities. This can make it even harder for countries to access affordable medicines when they need them most. From an ethical point of view, the debate about patents and medicine access touches on fairness, beneficence, and human rights. Everyone has the right to health and life, which means access to essential medicines should be a priority. When patents keep prices high, it conflicts with the idea that healthcare should be fair and equitable. Ethical principles suggest that policies should support both innovation and access, not favor one at the expense of the other. Practical solutions include using compulsory licensing during health crises to allow generic production. Supporting alternative models like patent pools or open innovation can also help. Governments can reform regulations to speed up approval of generic medicines and biosimilars. International cooperation is key to creating agreements that prioritize public health over strict patent enforcement. In the end, intellectual property rights create a trade-off. They reward companies for developing new medicines but can also limit access for those who need them most. Ethical principles reminded us that health is a human right, and policies should aim to make essential medicines available and affordable for everyone.